lot of space to work with. So I think I'm gonna turn these chairs around, facing the other way, facing the wall, and then put like a projector right here, put some LED lights on this square right here, maybe a bookshelf, a table. Yeah, just make it really cutesy and comfortable. And yeah, and then I have to clean off this table right here because it's not looking good. I put the weights here for now because I joined the gym, so I don't really need to use it that much unless like I decide not to go to the gym, then I can use it. Because before this was like my workout area. We're gonna turn it into a nice cozy area. You know, we could have girls' night, eat some popcorn, watch some movies on this wall right here. My bathroom, me in my robe. Yeah. Your memory card can go in here, all of your USBs can go in here all at once. This right here is really needed for your MacBook Air. I highly recommend buying this. I got it on Amazon for found this on Amazon. I've been using it for like a while now. Actually, it's Avery Dark Spot Remover. It fades dark spots and even skin tone. It has hyaluronic acid, retinol, vitamin C and E, niacinamide. Am I saying it right? I don't know. And yeah, it's pretty moisturizing. So far, so good. It's getting the job done. I have a bunch of scars on my cheeks and they've been fading away like really fast. This mark right here is pretty new, so I have to use that to get rid of it. So I use this on top of this. I use these together. And then I haven't used this in a while. It's the Dr. Athena Vitamin C Boosting Serum. It's pretty much almost done, but yeah, I use this as well. I'm gonna use a little bit today only because I haven't used it in a while, but I actually wanna, I've been looking at like getting different, like trying new skincare products. So sometimes it's better to switch up your skincare routine and try new things. But for some people, it works for them all the time. I use a lot of Black-owned businesses. Like this company right here is a Black-owned business. And I use their soap as well. I already took a shower, so what am I gonna do now? Right now I'm actually watching the Puff Daddy, the P. Diddy documentary. So far, so good. The first episode is crazy. Like, it got me thinking about a lot of stuff. Y'all comment below, let me know what y'all think about the P. Diddy documentary that 50 Cent released. So far, so good. But yeah, it's crazy. I don't know if I want to make some tea or something. Because let me tell y'all, it's so cold right now. It's like minus 13, but it feels like minus 20. Like I went to go empty the garbage this morning and I almost froze to death. Like I ran in the house so quick. Like it was so cold. And everyone's telling me how this is nothing. Like it's gonna hit the minus 30s. I'm not prepared for that. So hopefully I'm home for those days because I'm not trying to be outside when it's minus 30. Like no. Y'all, so I literally just like sprung out of bed. It's Sunday, 10:27. Me and my sister, she picks me up and we go and get groceries together. My voice is so bad, like I don't know what's going on. So yeah, I just threw on a hoodie, sweatpants. I even have on my real winter jacket. Hello. I feel like I put too much pasta. I'm not always overcook. We love cheese. I'll probably put more broccoli in tomorrow. I don't want to put too much broccoli in here because the broccoli gets really soggy. So a little bit of cayenne, just a little bit. All right. It's really good. So yeah, so this pot made me 3 meals, which was pretty good. 1 whole chicken, a couple pieces of broccoli, and half a pack of pasta. And it did pretty good. For lunch tomorrow after I work out, got my protein, got my veggies. I might have to put more broccoli in them, but it should be okay. I'm gonna let these cool for a little bit. I'm gonna leave these on the counter and let them cool. And yeah. Yeah, I decided just to chill out for today. I'm gonna go wake up early in the morning and go to the gym and get some really good gym footage. So yeah, but y'all, I'm loving this new camera. Like, it's just so perfect. Like, right now I'm recording and nobody knows I'm recording. I need to get a microphone, but I'm not sure if you guys can even hear me, but like, I do need to get a microphone. Oh, and the tea that I got is it's honey citrus mint tea. It's really good. My first time trying it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not because I wanted like a herbal tea. They don't have ginger and lemon, so this was the closest thing to it. But so far so good. I would definitely order this again. Like, this tea is really good. Like, if you're sick, if you have a cold, if you have a stomach ache, and my stomach's not feeling the best, so that's the reason why I got it. So yeah.